Hey guys, what I'm doing in this video is I'm jackhammering the front of this garage floor. Some of the areas were loose and falling out. This was in really bad shape, and instead of replacing the entire garage floor, what I'm going to do is prep it, and in the following videos I'm going to show you how to repair it. And I used a Bosch jackhammer to break up this concrete. Sometimes the smaller jackhammers like this are great for little breakouts or repairs. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning up the area, and now I'm just going to drill in some holes. Basically, this jackhammer is great because you can go from a chisel bit to a drill bit like this in no time at all. And this thing just eats it up. It'll go down in the concrete very fast, so you really got to watch how fast you're going. Basically, my goal with this is just creating some holes so that the cementitious material that goes on top of this later will grab into that slab. Alright, so what I'm doing here now is I'm just going to use some water and clean this area up. Make sure that there's no other debris or loose concrete. I want to make sure that that my cementitious material that I put on after is going to bond really well to this old slab. And I'm just going to clean it up and get it ready. So check out the next video, guys. I'm going to show you how to apply it, what materials I'm using, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you need concrete work, give me a shout. theartofconcrete.ca